Before leaving Hanoi, we had a really good breakfast at our hotel. Fresh fruit, hot coffee, eggs, pastries, the full spread. Because no road trip should ever start on an empty stomach. As we drove out of Hanoi, the city slowly melted away. Concrete turned into green fields, rivers, traffic into silence. We made a quick stop to stretch, hydrate, and then back onto the road. And then suddenly, Ninh Binh limestone cliffs appeared, like they'd been waiting for us. Leaving behind the busy streets of Hanoi, we arrived in Vietnam's peaceful countryside. Endless green rice paddies, towering cliffs, an air that instantly felt calmer. Our first stop, Hoa Lu, the ancient capital. Walking through these centuries old temples, it felt like history echoed through the stone walls. Intricate carvings, quiet country yards, and hills rising behind them made the whole place feel timeless. We were truly amazed. The first look of Trang An, or as the local calls it, Trang An, on the water is pure serenity. And in no short time, we were gliding along Trang An's river, and suddenly every bend felt like a new surprise. Towering limestone cliffs rose on either side, green paddies stretched endlessly, and quiet villages peeked through the trees. Floating here, it feels like time slows down. The water mirrors the cliffs, the breeze is gentle, and every moment invite you to pause, breathe, and just enjoy. We made a quick stop at a small temple tucked on the island, its red roof and stone steps standing out against the lush greenery. Inside, incense curled gently in the air, and the calm energy of the place made us pause for a moment just to soak it all in. After almost an hour on the river, it was almost afternoon. The view opened up completely. The river sparkled in the sunlight, limestone cliffs rose dramatically in the distance, and the villages along the shore looked almost like they belonged to another time. It was one of those moments where you just have to stop, breathe, and appreciate the scenery. Simple, peaceful, and unforgettable. I requested to airdrop a few drone shots from someone, and suddenly everything looked different. River, cliffs, villages in vibrant colors and perspective. We decided to try our hands at rowing and quickly realized it's not as effortless as it looks. Every stroke felt heavier than it should. The boat wobbled more than I expected, and by the time I caught a rhythm, I was already out of breath. But somehow, rowing or struggling through it made the view from the boat feel even more rewarding. After the boat ride, we fed the fish from the shore. The moment the food hit the water, they swarmed, and they were huge. Instant feeding frenzy. Ninh you were pure magic. From dramatic limestone cliffs to ancient temples and peaceful rivers. Every moment felt calm, timeless, and unforgettable. A perfect reminder to slow down and just take it all in.